Hey there and welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things related to personal finance. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects many couples: how to combine finances and plan for the future together. Combining finances with your significant other can be a daunting task, but it's an important step towards building a strong financial foundation for your future. Here are some tips on how to get started. Start with an open conversation. Discuss your individual financial situations, including income, debts, and assets. This will help you both understand each other's financial goals and priorities. Decide on a budget together. Create a budget that takes into account your monthly expenses and savings goals. Make sure to allocate money for discretionary spending, such as entertainment or dining out. Open joint accounts. Consider opening a joint checking and savings account to manage shared expenses and savings goals. This will allow you to track your combined finances and ensure that bills are paid on time. Plan for the future. Discuss your long-term financial goals, such as buying a house or saving for retirement. Consider meeting with a financial advisor to help you create a plan that aligns with your goals. Decide on a system for managing expenses. Decide together how you will split shared expenses, such as rent or utilities. Consider a system that is fair and manageable for both of you. Be transparent. Honesty and transparency are key when it comes to finances. Make sure to communicate openly and regularly about any financial issues or changes. Conclusion: combining finances with your partner can be a challenge, but with open communication and a plan in place, it can also be a rewarding experience. By working together towards common financial goals, you can set a strong foundation for your future together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.